Simple tips for everyday. Smile. Look in the mirror and smile at yourself. Do this multiple times until you feel a true smile emerging. Can you feel the difference between a pretend smile and a heartfelt one? Feel gratitude for yourself. Smiling stimulates the heart and brings a sense of internal peace. Place your hands, one on top of the other over your chest area. Make a connection with your heart. Feel it beating. Make small circular motions. Before going to bed, allow your mind to wander. Begin to let all the business of the day drop out of your mind. Replace it instead with an image that is peaceful to you. With the palms of your hands placed gently over your heart, and a slight smile on your face, use this image to help you drift into a peaceful sleep. Go for a slow but steady walk. Place both hands behind you as you walk so your hands meet at your lower back. Simple tips for every day. Some ways to take care of your lung. Let go of things you no longer need and give yourself breathing room. Stimulate your lung function by throwing out those 20-year-old clothes or notebooks from 5th grade. Bundle up in windy and cold weather, especially your chest and neck. Because part of the lung's job is to protect you from pathogens, you can save lung energy by covering up your skin. Simple tips for every day. Some ways to take care of your stomach. Don't worry, be happy. Worry, anxiety, and overthinking are the emotions that are associated with the stomach and spleen, and these emotions in excess have an especial impact on your digestive health. Eat mostly cooked or warm foods and beverages. Your stomach is warmth-loving by nature, so eating cold or raw foods, especially nuts and vegetables, and cold drinks can damage stomach functioning over time. Raw fruit is okay as the essence of fruit is very light. Have your dinner by 6 or 7 p.m. at the latest. This gives your stomach a chance to rest along with all your other organs. If you eat a lot or heavy foods at night, then you are making your stomach work overtime when it should be resting. Simple tips for every day. Some ways to support your kidneys' energy. Stomp your feet, slowly and with flat feet, for about 5 minutes a day. This stimulates your kidneys' energy as the feet are associated with the kidney and bladder meridians, which run through the heel and to the sole of the foot. Rub your ears for several minutes a day. This simple massage strengthens kidney function, as the ears are connected energetically to the kidney organ and meridian. Stop energy drains. Conserve your energy by sleeping before midnight, resting when you're tired, and giving yourself permission to take a break and de-stress. Simple tips for every day. Stay calm, especially during the spring. Don't get caught up in spring's intense new energies. Take things easy and go slow. Take a nice long walk in the park or do other gentle exercises to relax your mind, body, and spirit. Let go of any stressful situations that you can, and if that's not possible, use some of the stress-relieving tips below. Using a hairbrush with rounded bristles, hit your legs up and down the insides of your thighs and calves, starting at the ankles, for about 5 minutes. This gently stimulates your liver meridian, allowing your qi to flow more freely and relaxing your liver. Avoid alcohol. Because the liver is responsible for metabolizing alcohol, drinking in moderation can go a long way towards preserving your liver's energy and giving it a break. Engage in gentle exercise, such as swimming or walking, instead of hard and fast exercises which overwork or overstretch the tendons, causing them to eventually lose their flexibility, impacting the liver function of being flexible.